Hi, it's Tati, your personal content creator. First, thank you so much for purchasing my Juneteenth special. I'm so excited to walk you through all of my templates. I'm going to train you on how to utilize them and make them your own. And then I'm going to hop over to my Planoly app to show you how you can be successful in planning your posts in advance. So right after you booked your Juneteenth special, you would have received a confirmation email from notifications@calendly.com entitled Dream Creator LLC. You're going to click that open, and then that's how you got to this video. It thanks you for purchasing your package, and then it has two different links. The first link, click here to access your new Canva templates, is what we're going to walk through now. So go ahead, click here, and it's going to open you up to a new Canva page. If you never created or used Canva before, it's going to prompt you to create a new account. If you already have a Canva account, just go ahead and sign in using the account that you already have. For the sake of walking through as if I'm a new user, I'm going to go ahead and use a free account. So I'm going to use my free Google account, log in with Google. And it's going to take me to a blank copy of the template. Now, the template has 19 different pages for you to utilize, customize, and make your own. There's generic ones where you can just simply put your own photo in the inside. There's ones to use if you're running a sale. There's some to show off your site. You can put in screenshots or screen captures of your actual website. A little bit more engaging posts where you can make a list or action items. You have places for you to put in customer photos. I put in different things in order for you to put customer reviews in there. And then I also have some general photo ones in case you wanted to create some collages and really show off the different types of products and services that you offer. So we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing that we're going to do is go back up to page 1. This is your standard everyday, I just want to post something on Instagram. I have a cute little photo of a product that I made, or I have a customer selfie that I want to put in and just highlight. I don't want to do too much. I just want to get it into my Canva template and post it. Here, page 1 is that for you. It basically has an outline or a skin that's going to make it pop and be a little bit more on brand to the rest of the things that you post on your page while still having its own unique look. Right here, this little photo right here that has the green hills, that's the template and the ad space that you have to work with for whatever photo that you want to upload. How do you upload it? I'm going to show you how. Right over here on the sidebar, you're going to click Uploads. Then at the top, you're going to hit Upload Media. It gives you 5 different options to upload things to Canva. 1, from your device, if you have things that are already on your actual computer. 2, Facebook. You can link it directly to your Facebook business profile. So maybe you posted photos on there that you want to link and put into Canva. You can do that. Google Drive. Maybe you're someone who works on a team environment and you have a bunch of people uploading different photos. You can pull straight from that Google Drive and put the photos into Canva. Instagram, and then Dropbox. For me, I have all of my photos on my device. So I'm going to go ahead and click device, and it's going to open up. Find wherever you store all of your different photos at. My advice would be to create something that's specifically for Canva templates or Canva posts. And then figure out what you want to upload. I'm going to go ahead and upload this picture right here of a hoodie that I created for my clothing line. While it's downloading, you'll know because that bar will be going across the bottom. And then just like that, once it's finished, it'll pop and that bar will go away. Now it's time for us to take that photo and put it inside of our template. I'm going to go ahead and click, hold, and then drag it over until you see it pop up inside that space in the center. Now you can officially let it go. Look at that. If you already like the background and the theme that I have for my page, feel free to go ahead and use it. Keep that white to silver ombre in the back. But for the sake of, switching it up, show you how you can make it your own, I'm going to show you how to change that background image and make it something that's unique to your brand. So one thing I absolutely love about Canva is this feature over here called Photos. If you don't see it right here, just click these 3 buttons and it'll give you that option to put photos right here on your taskbar. So click Photos, and then this is essentially thousands and thousands of different stock photos that are copyright free for you to utilize inside of your Canva templates. The biggest thing that I like about it is the search bar feature at the top. So if I'm ever wondering or trying to just get something to fit into my profile that I don't have to actually take a picture of myself, I just hop over on Canva and search it in the search bar. So for example, sneakers. Here's sneakers. If you want to post some sneakers inside of your page, maybe you're a fitness brand and want to just depict action. You want to type in a photo of someone running to put a quote over top of it. There you go. If you are looking for something, maybe you are a makeup brand, makeup. All of these different photos are free for you to utilize and put right into your Canva templates to take all the guesswork, and no need to book a whole photo shoot. Just utilize the stuff that they have there. You can always personalize it by putting text over top of it and doing some other creative ways to make sure that it pops and still connects back to your brand. But for the sake of my Canva templates, I like to use just generic colors or like a pop or a glitter or something like that to go behind my photos. Something that doesn't distract from the actual image that I'm trying to display. So for example, this photo is giving me cream, it's giving me nudes. I'm gonna go ahead and type in cream and see what comes up. So one thing to notice, you'll see photos that have free, you'll see photos that have pro. Pro account is $12.99 a month, and then I forget what they charge for annual subscription, but it's a little bit less than $12.99 a month if you pay for the whole year. But if you don't and you want to just keep the free account, all you have to do is just make sure that you're being mindful about which pictures and which elements you use inside of your Canva templates, so it doesn't try to charge you when you go to download it. So for example, this cream photo right here is free. I like that. I'm going to click and hold it and move it over, drop it in my background. Just like that, I have a post that's ready and scheduled for me to post. Now I'm going to take that same cream background and utilize that as the background for all the pictures and all the templates that I have on my file. That's what's going to actually give me the cohesive look that I'm going for my brand. So I encourage you to take this time to go through some Canva templates, go through some Canva photos in that photo feature, type in different colors. Maybe if this ever happens, all you have to do is hit the delete button and then go back, click over and scroll and drop it down again. But yeah, you should be, whatever this is, you should like it. This is going to be the thing that you build your brand on top of. Anything that you put photos or anything like that on top of, this will be the background. And that's what's going to give you that cohesive look, so that no matter what photos that you post inside of it, there's something consistent across all of your posts that kind of syncs them and lets them know that, you know, it's affiliated, it's in sync. So I'm just going through and filling out the rest of these so that you'll get an idea of what I mean. And then once I'm done with this, you will see. This is a good time for me also to talk about my social media makeover packages, because the Juneteenth special is available for you at a low cost so that you can create things on your own. But if you're someone who's like, this seems like a lot, I don't really know if I can do this by myself, I can do it for you. I have 2 social media makeover packages. The first one utilizes a free Canva account. So I use all free elements in order to create 12 unique feed posts for you, and then provide you with those actual templates that have your photos in it, your brand colors in it, your brand fonts in it, ready for you to just download and post. Then I also have a deluxe package. That deluxe package allows you to create a pro Canva account and gives me a lot more room to create things like videos for your page, animated posts that spin and breathe and do all this extra stuff. Those are the 2 options that I have for you. I will make sure in a follow-up email that I send out to you that it has the links for you to go ahead and book that if that's something that you would like. So now that I have these in here, to get an overall broad look of your brand and what it looks like, there's this button down here that has a number in it. For us, since we have 19 pages, the number is 19. You're going to click that and then to see grid view. Now this shows you how all your posts would look on a page, because now you see all the squares and all that good stuff. I'm going to go ahead and create an ad real quick using this page right here, page 11. Double click it. It'll take you directly to page 11. Upload a photo of your choice. Click it, drag it, drop it. Just like that, we have a sale post that's ready for you to download. How to download? I'm going to show you. Now, all you have to do up here at the top right is click this download button. Once you click it, it's going to give you a whole bunch of different options. You don't want to pay for any images. You should never pay for anything if you're not trying to pay for anything. If you have a free account, using the free elements, you won't be prompted to pay before you download. So you just have to double check which things you're using. It'll tell you typically which element in there is a pro element if you did make a mistake and use something that was a pro feature instead of a free feature. Or if you want, you can just go ahead and pay for that pro account, so then you have access to everything on the platform. You don't have to worry about what's free or not free. That's what I typically advise if you're truly trying to get into the social media world and market your brand on the next level. So for our sake, we're just going to download page 11. So you're going to click right here, deselect all pages 1 to 9. And then you're going to go down to page 11, hit this little checkbox right here, then press done. Now you're going to press download. Just like that, I wasn't prompted to pay anything. It's a free account. It downloaded. Now it's saved in my download files. I'm going to go ahead and click that to open it. And here's my completed post. I can either text it to myself if I'm on a Mac, or I could go ahead and airdrop it to myself and send it out that way. If you aren't on a Mac, or if you just don't want to do all that, I'm now going to transition into my phone to show you how I use the Canva app on my phone to create new content. And then I'm also going to show you how I use the Planoly app to, once I finish creating that content, plan it ahead to post on my Instagram and my Facebook pages. All right. So now that I've switched devices, I'm moving over onto my phone. These are the two apps that you're going to need to complete everything that I'm about to show you. Number 1, the Canva app. Number 2, the Planoly app. First, we're going to go ahead into the Canva app, and we're going to log in with the same login that we just used on the actual website to complete our templates. Once you get inside, it'll take you to personal. It'll take you to this home page right here. Your design will be in designs. So you see that bottom tab? You're going to go over to the second one and hit designs. Then you're going to tap on your Canva template. Now you just want to go down to where it says page 20, hit that. And then all the Canva templates that we just created online, of course yours will be cohesive because you would have took the time already to actually plan them out and make them look the same. For us, I'm going to use page 11 to show you how to plan it on Planoly app. So this top button, the one that has a little square at the bottom and an arrow at the top, you're going to hit that. Then you're going to have a bunch of different options. The ones that we want to focus on is Save As. Hit Save As. We're going to save it as a PNG. Leave that alone. Scroll down, and we don't need all pages. We're going to hit that arrow next to all pages 20. Scroll down where it says page 11. Check that checkbox, and then hit Done. Now all we have to do is press the download button and wait for it to download. As you can see, that was simple, super simple. Not now. You don't have to buy anything in order to do this. Now we're just going to exit out of that app and come over to our Planoly app. Now that we're in the Planoly app, it's going to show you how to create different things. So I already have 3 weeks worth of content planned, but I'm going to upload a sample post in order to show you how you would go about doing it on your own. It's important to note that I do have a pro account. My pro account, I believe, is $8.99 a month, and it allows you unlimited uploads and ability to post on 2 different social media sites automatically, so Instagram and Facebook for 2 different profiles. If for a free account, it allows you to post up to 30 times a month, so up to 30 uploads a month, and then after that, you have to upgrade to the pro account. So to get started, you're going to hit that plus button right down there in the middle. You're going to go up to albums, recents, and then the Canva template that you just created is right down there. So click it and then hit add at the top. Now that it's right here, you just want to hit upload, and then it will magically appear inside of your Planoly feed. Now that it's here, it's time for you to actually schedule the post. So you're just going to tap it, figure out a caption, insert caption here. If you want to know how I create engaging captions and my thought process when going through actually creating one for an ad, that's a great reason for you to schedule a one-on-one content planning meeting. I'll go through the actual posts with you that you create. I'll walk you through how to build engaging captions with them, and then I'll set them up for ads so that you'll have continued success and be able to take a back seat and let your Instagram profile grow on its own. So you'll insert your caption here, press OK. And then now for the magic, you're going to toggle on the schedule button, select a date in the future, and a time in the future. Make sure you link it to your Instagram page. If this is for the first time you're using Planoly app, it'll walk you through how to set up your Instagram page. It has to be an Instagram business page, and then if you want to link it to Facebook, it has to be a Facebook business page. So have that all set up before you come to Planoly app so that it's easy for you to just link it right to it. I don't use Twitter, so I just check off the first 3, and now you press save. And when the time comes, it'll automatically post. There's nothing else for you to do. All you have to do now is just continue creating new and engaging content, think through your captions, get it all loaded in the Planoly app, and then watch it take off from there. So that's it. Now you're ready to create engaging content on your own. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to go back in the video, stop, play it, rewatch it. If there's still questions in addition to that, reach out to me via email or DM, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. If you're someone that's a little bit more hands-on, you really want me to walk through it with you, to plan it alongside you and help you set up your business page, there's 2 different options for you. You can schedule a content planning meeting. This is a 60-minute session for you and I to get together on Zoom and actually plan through your content together, create engaging captions, and I'll walk you through how to go about posting them ahead on Planoly. Or you can book a social media makeover. I have 2 different social media makeover packages. They both include 5 custom highlight covers, 12 unique feed posts, and 12 Canva templates. So these are going to be not just unique custom Canva templates that are already pre-created. They're going to be ones that I actually design and create and put your content in and make them eligible for your actual brand that we create. So it's a little bit more hands-on. That's where most customers honestly come for that custom social media makeover package, because it's something that's hard to come by. And my prices are unmatched. So thank you again for reaching out. Thank you again for booking this Juneteenth special. So excited to spend this time with you. Feel free to share or tag me into any new content that you create using my templates at Dream Creator Marketing. Thanks. See you soon. Bye-bye.